Typing on the greatest mechanical keyboard is an exquisite sensation. Not only are these keyboards stylish to use, but you'll find yourself desiring to type on them. In this video, I will recommend you the 5 best mechanical keyboard of 2024. You can buy it at the link in the description below the video. Number 5. Asus ROG Strix Scope 2 96 Wireless. For gaming, the Asus ROG Strix Scope 2 96 is a great keyboard. It is ideal for playing games of any genre at any competitive level because to its remarkable low-latency performance and great overall build quality. It features almost all of the keys of a typical full-size keyboard, but the arrangement of the keys makes the keyboard as a whole significantly smaller in size. There is also less space between key clusters. Overall, the Asus ROG Strix Scope 2 96 offers an excellent build quality with very little flexibility. A metal plate is placed on top of a plastic chassis. The double-shot PBT plastic used to make the keycaps has a somewhat rough surface. Silence-dampening switch pads and silicone foam within the case contribute to the quiet, thocky sound and minimal rattling of most keys. Each key on this keyboard is independently lighted and features full RGB illumination. To adjust the lighting effects, colors, and brightness, you can utilize the customization program, hotkey combinations, or the multi-function button or scroll wheel. With the ROG NX snow switches installed, the typing noise produced by this keyboard is low and unlikely to disturb others nearby. The keyboard from Asus claims to have a maximum battery of continuous usage when used without the RGB illumination and when connected wirelessly to a USB receiver. Number 4. Epomaker x Feker Galaxy 80. The metal exterior of the Galaxy 80, designed for individuals who seek both strength and elegance, provides long-lasting quality and a contemporary, minimalist appearance. Structure not only tolerates normal wear and tear, but also offers a stable, comforting foundation for each keystroke. The Galaxy 80 is ideal for both pros and gamer fans, and its elegant, metallic appearance makes a statement. The Galaxy 80 boasts a leaf spring gasket mechanism that enhances typing experience, lowers noise and vibration, and allows for more customization options. A symphony of quality materials, including PET acoustic pad, EXPA switch pad, Poron sandwich cotton, EMDP switch cotton, and PET bottom pad, are integrated into the Galaxy 80 mechanical keyboard. The Galaxy 80 has wired USB, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth options to accommodate any configuration. With brighter, more vibrant illumination beneath each key, the Galaxy 80's south-facing LED design enhances your viewing experience. Long-lasting performance is ensured by its sturdy battery, which powers both productivity and enjoyment. The Galaxy 80 can keep up with your busy lifestyle by supporting long workdays and intense gaming sessions, because to its long battery life. Number 3. Razer ProType Ultra. With numerous configurable functions, the Razer ProType Ultra keyboard is a hefty peripheral. It's one of the nicest looking mechanical keyboards because of the metal plate and the white ABS keycaps, which tend to shine with age. In addition to providing a pleasing visual impression, the backlit LEDs help with typing in low light. Razer's unique yellow mechanical switch is used on the ProType Ultra's keys. Sound-absorbing foam is incorporated into each key to minimize noise during typing, and the switches feel comfortable to use. On the underside of the ProType Ultra keyboard are left and right kickstands. Your keyboard's angle can be changed from flat to 6 or 9 degrees. And very cozy addition is the leatherette wrist rest that has padding. Compatible Razer computer mice can be paired with the keyboard thanks to the 2.4 GHz wireless technology. A USB-C to USB-A type cable is required for the wired capability. Whether or not you use the backlit LEDs, the ProType Ultra offers an amazing battery life. Number 2. Keychron Q5 Max. Within Keychron's larger Q-Max line of wireless mechanical keyboards, the Q5 Max is a 96% compact model. This wireless keyboard feels high-end, has a sturdy metal casing, and offers excellent typing quality right out of the box. Additionally, the inside components are all kept between shock-absorbing rubber parts thanks to its double gasket-mounted design. This eliminates the sudden feeling of your keystrokes bottoming out and gives you a softer, slightly cushioned typing experience. Keychron's larger Q-Max series includes a variety of various sizes and layouts, of which the Q5 Max is just one size option. It offers flexible wireless connectivity options, including 2.4 GHz, which delivers great raw performance and can easily handle competitive or casual gaming, and Bluetooth, which offers the best battery life and support for multi-device pairing. Even more layers of sound-absorbing foam are positioned inside, between components, to reduce case ping and further balance out the overall sound profile. Keychron's larger Q-Max series includes a variety of various sizes and layouts, of which the Q5 Max is just one size option. Number 1. SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini. Excellent for gaming, the SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini keyboard is. It has a solid build quality and provides an enjoyable gaming experience. With OmniPoint 2.0, the Apex Pro Little is the quickest little keyboard in the world. Utilize cutting-edge magnetic sensors to instantly activate keys without touching them to get what you want. The aluminum utilized in the Series 5000 metal top plate is the same as that used in jets, offering improved structural stability and rigidity over an extended period of service. Unlock the special powers of Apex Pro Mini Wireless with Engine. This user-friendly software allows you to set custom actuation points, per-key RGB illumination, and 2-in-1 action key binds. Witness a massive improvement in robustness and quality. With secondary actions printed on the side, you have complete access to full-size keyboard capability. Place the keyboard in the best possible way to play for extended periods of time. You have 3 ergonomic alternatives with the tilt legs that are adjustable: flat, half, and full extension. The detachable USB-C braided cable is strong and lightweight, making it resistant to everyday abrasions. Windows, PlayStation, Xbox, and Mac OS X are all compatible with the Apex Pro Mini and Apex Pro Mini Wireless.